Hello students, good morning. Now in your previous period we learned about your data compression as well as we learned archive file manager. Okay, these were the two topics which we learned in your previous period. Now today we are going to start with a new topic that is known as your VLC media player. The full form of VLC is your video LAN client. Underline it. I want you to underline these things in your textbook. Underline the full form of VLC, that is a video LAN client. And I hope you all have seen this VLC media player, which is just like your cone shape. Okay, I can show you. Mm. See, I hope this symbol you have seen. This is your VLC media player. Okay, the full form of VLC is that video LAN client. Okay, now the working of a VLC media player. Now working of a VLC media player is that each and every player, as you know, that we are having start button, pause button. Okay, see, I hope you can see in that particular area. Down button, pause button is there. Okay, stop button is there, start button is there. Okay, after all, forward and backward button is there, next button, previous button. Such buttons will be available in your, this is stop button, this is your next button, sorry, the previous button, this is your next button. Okay, these are your features of your Windows VLC media player. Okay, now over here I'm going to explain how to download it and use it. Actually this downloading part is not in your textbook, but still just for your general knowledge I'm showing it. First of all, in that URL we need to write, that is your videolan.org. As I told you, the full form of VLC media player is video LAN client. Okay, now this is the website or the web page. Now over here we are going to download. Click on VLC and download VLC. Now the downloading process is going on. They are trying to select, saying that to select the language. I selected as English. Now next, again click on next. This is your license agreement. Again click on next. Now installation process is going on. Now it has been over, finish. Now next thing is, this is your symbol. As I told you, the video LAN client, that is a VLC, will be having the symbol of your cone symbol. This is that symbol. VLC media player, I'm going to open it right now. Okay, now this is your VLC media player. I've installed it. Actually this is, now here a video is going to start. It has been already started now. Now you can see over here in your top right side bottom, your volume button will be there. That means from here you increase or decrease the volume of that particular player, okay, or that particular video. And here this is your pause button, previous button, stop button, and here you can get your next button. Now another main thing is that in your VLC media player we will be having we will be having an option, that is your codec function. Codec function, codec function. Now what do you mean by codec function? Codec function is that particular function where we can adjust our tracks. That means you have seen that whenever we are using or playing videos in your mobile phone, okay, in that particular mobile phone we can use uh, we are MX player, especially if we are using the MX player, we will be having the option as HW and SW and HW plus. I hope you all have seen. Now what do you mean by what is that particular function? Mainly you will be using that HW and SW, with that after clicking on HW plus you will be able to increase the volume up to 30%. That means 30 till 30 point you can increase the volume. Normally you will be able to increase that particular volume till 15. Oh, sorry, okay. So this is the basic function you know about the codec function. The actual codec function is that you have seen that if your video is going on, if we want to slow down, or if the audio is in front or video is in back, for merging or for getting that particular thing in a proper lane, we will be using that codec function. That means in some videos, if the video format is not in a proper way, what happens, your video will be in forward, audio will be audio will be back, or your audio will be forward, video will be back. That means first voice will be there, then only after 2 to 5 seconds after you will be getting the video. Or else it can be said that first video will be played, then after audio will be played. That means that means the user won't be able to understand what the actual thing is going on in the video. For that particular function, for merging it in the same way, proper lane, we will be using the codec function. Understood? This is your Windows Media Player, sorry, VLC Media Player. That is your full form of VLC is that Video LAN Client. Okay. Now not only videos, we can also play audio files in your VLC Media Player. Okay. For converting audio files to video files, sorry, video files or audio files, we can use the function that is your media convert and save. Automatically it will be saved to that particular audio file. This is the use of or the features of your Windows VLC Media Player. And the full form of codec, full form of codec is your CO stands for, see, CO stands for coding, and DE stands for decoding. These two terms together form and known as your codec function. That means the coding and decoding functions. Understood? This is the first topic for today's, that is your Windows VLC Media Player. The full form of VLC is your Video LAN Client. Now next is about your Google Maps. As you know that these maps, why we are using, mainly it is used for getting the location of the particular area. Suppose right now I'm going to open my Google Map. Now this is my location. Okay, this is my location. Can you see? I've already zoom out. Okay, Surat, Altan, Pandesar area. If I'm going to see, this is our school, Samadhi English Medium School. Can you see? Now if I want to search to location to some of the English medium school, this is my location, sorry, this is your location of some of the English medium school. That means 14 minutes drive. The whole picture you can see left side. On left side you can see our school's photos, views. See, so our ground. Benches. See, this was the actual picture where construction was going on. See, this is your goal. That means what happens, each and every location we will be able to view that particular areas. We will be able to view the particular areas, geographical area. Suppose if I want to, if I'm in certain area where I am not having where I'm not having any knowledge, okay, unknown area. So what happens, if I want to get a petrol pump, I will be opening Google Map, and over there I will be searching for petrol pump. Automatically nearby petrol pumps will be displayed in that particular map. This is the basic feature of your Google Map. Another example I can give you is that for getting a restaurants, for nearby restaurants also they will be helping to finding out nearby restaurants, nearby automobiles shops, okay, such things, that banks, ATMs, such things will be available, or it will be helping to know where the such areas will be there. This is the best use of your Google Map. Now Google Map will be having two views. That is your first one is this view. Can you see this view? That is your white color view. This is known as your normal view. This is known as your normal view. And if I want this to be in a satellite view, see, this is my satellite view. That means from how our map, how our road will be looking from satellite. This is particular thing. See, some of this cool. Can you see the whole, each and every lane of that particular road will be displayed. Now I think internet is working slowly. That's the only reason why I am not able to get such thing. Okay. See, each and every buildings, trees, also even you can view your trees also. See, Jhansi Ki Rani Garden. Okay. So each and everything we can view it. See, this is the second view, which is known as your satellite view. Okay, and this view is known as your normal view. This is a normal view. Okay, and this is your satellite view. Google Map will be having two kinds of views. First one is your normal view, second one is your satellite view. In your normal view, will be looking in this way. This is your normal view. Okay, that means there won't be any showing any buildings, trees, gardens, nothing will be showing, just that particular location and nearby areas will be showing. Whereas in a satellite view, the actual view from where the satellite, how the satellite will be looking to our particular area, that particular view will be shown. That means you can see that canal, okay, roads, your trees, buildings, such all things will be getting in our Google Map. This is the basic use of your Google Map. Okay, and this is the website or the URL how to access to our Google Map. Okay, instead of this, see, either we can use http://maps.google.co.in. Either you can use this one, or you can use what I have done. I've just written in your URL area I have written the google.com, and from here in Google I have to just write Google Map. After writing this, just click on enter button, search button, select this, automatically it will be going that particular area. Google Map started. These are two kinds of two ways where we can use this, open this particular map. See, this is your satellite view. According to textbook they have shown the image. Okay, now, as I told you, they will be helping to finding out the nearest ATM, banks, restaurant, bus stops. Such essential places will be shown in your Google Map. This is the use of Google Map. Today we learned two topics, that is your Google Map as well as we learn VLC media player. VLC, the full form of VLC media player is your video line client. Okay, and it will be having buttons, that is your pause button, stop button, next button, previous button, forward button, backward button, as well as we are also having a function which is known as your codec function. And the full form of codec, as I told you, the COD stands for, CO stands for coding, and DEC stands for decoding. See, codec function. Codec function, this is a function. Codec function means coding and decoding. Now next topic is about your Google Map. Google Map is a free internet based provider from the Google, which helps a person to get the knowledge, or to get to know particular area services. That means if a person wants to know ATM card, ATM areas, bank areas, restaurants, hotels, such things can be get from your Google Map. Another thing is that for getting the location or the direction of particular, suppose if I'm staying in Sigline, if I want to get to my friend's place, where he might be staying in Katargam or in Udana. If I don't know how to reach there, what I will be using, by using the Google Map, I will be getting the direction from which road I will be easily getting till there. This is the basic or the best feature of your Google Map. Now, how many views are there? There are total 2 views in your Google Map. The first view is your normal view, and the second view is your satellite view. As I told you, as I've given you example, this view we can say it as a normal view, and this view, that means your second view, this is your satellite view. Okay, how many types of views are there? Total 2 types of views are there. First one is a normal view, second one is your satellite view. This view, whatever you're seeing, this is your satellite view, and this is your normal view. Okay, I hope you all understand today's topic. Thank you, students.